everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I wanna talk about the one of Samsung iconic phones, the Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G. Even though it first came out in September 2021, this phone has remained one of the most loved devices from Samsung A series, and honestly, that's not surprising at all. Samsung is known for making devices that last a long time. The software is very strong and One UI is so easy to use. And overall, their phones usually stay smooth for a long time. And the A52s 5G is the perfect example of that. A device that may not new anymore, but still extremely well until now. So, in this video, we're going to explore what makes the A52s still worth it, what its strengths are daily used, and later we also compare it with another Samsung A series phone to see how the A52s 5G continues to stand out. Let's get started. Let's begin with the main spec and user experience of the Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G. First, the performance setup. The A52s comes in one full spec variant, 8GB RAM and 256GB of internal storage. It's already the highest configuration, so you don't need to worry about choosing the wrong model or running out of space too quickly. One of the best performance features is RAM Plus. Samsung automatic virtual RAM expansion to adds up to 4GB and it adjusts itself based on your usage pattern. So you don't have to go into setting or manage anything manually. The phone stays smooth on its own. The display is 6.5-inch AMOLED panel, Full HD resolution, and a 120Hz refresh rate. This combination makes the visual experience smooth, sharp, and vibrant. And the thin bezel also help make the in-front look modern and polished. For the battery, it has a 4,500 mAh capacity with a charging time around 1.5 hours from 0 to 100%. It's not the fastest but definitely acceptable. And about the camera, A52s support HD 30fps, Full HD 30 or 60fps, and UHD 30fps. Its ultra-wide and zoom range goes from 0.5 to 10 zoom, giving a variety in framing and perspective. Overall, the 52s delivers smooth performance, beautiful display, and reliable camera setup. It feels like a complete package even years after its release. Now, let's compare it with another Samsung A series device. The Samsung Galaxy A15 released in 2023. Even though the A15 is newer and more affordable, let's see how it stacks up against the A52s. The A52s priced at 6,500,000 rupiahs, while the A15 is priced at 3,300,000 rupiahs. First, the display. The A52s give you AMOLED Full HD Plus with 120Hz and thin bezel. The A15, meanwhile, has thick bezel and a 90Hz refresh rate. So, the A52s clearly feels smoother and more premium. Next, the internal storage and RAM are the same. Both have 256GB and 8GB RAM. But again, the A52s wins with RAM Plus that automatically adapt to usage. And for the battery, the A15 has slightly larger 5,000 mAh, while the A52s has 4,500 mAh. But the charging time is the same, around 1.5 hours for both. But despite being older, the A52s still feels faster and smoother in daily use. Now, let's talk about the camera. The A52s support HD 30fps, Full HD 30 or 60fps, and UHD 30fps. The A15 is limited to HD 30fps and Full HD 30fps. For ultra-wide shots, the A52s produce a better color accuracy, stronger dynamic range, and support 0.5 to 10 zoom. The A15 does have ultra-wide, but the color often look faded and there is noticeable noise, especially in low light scenes. Even though the A15 is newer, the A52s clearly provides better overall camera performance. The A15 is good phone for its price, but the A52s is a better phone overall. At the end of the day, there's a reason people say you get what you pay for. Both are Samsung A series phone, but the A52s simply offers more quality, more power, and more features. So, after we talk about the design, display, performance, and camera system, it's clear why the Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G remains such a popular and solid device. It gives you a premium AMOLED 120Hz display, smooth performance with intelligent RAM Plus, and reliable battery life, and best quality camera system. The A15 may more affordable, but the A52s prove that quality less. Sometimes paying a bit more gives you a device that stays smooth and enjoyable for years, and the A52s is the perfect example of that. So, if you are looking for the phone that is smooth, stable, and still capable in 2025, the A52s is the better choice. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it's helped you to understand why the A52s continue to be a strong choice until now. See you next time!